Craig, why is Etsy so good? I don't understand. The reason why Etsy is so good is because supply, demand. Like, demand for products is way up here. There's so many people on the platform, whereas the supply is down here. And also, this supply of like actual products on the platform, they're idiots. Just put it politely. Not really politely, but they're just stupid. They don't know what they're doing. The average age of an Etsy seller is 39 years old, and they're a female. Imagine your mum. Most of us guys in here, most of us are probably guys in here, we're probably 20, 30s kind of thing. Imagine like kind of your mum, pretty much. It's the person I imagine. Mum trying to sell on Etsy. She's just going to get a bit lost with everything, not really do things fast. And typically what I've seen with Etsy sellers as well, they'll aim for $2,000, $3,000 profit a month. Whereas me personally, I want like $1 million profit a month. Like, I don't care about anything else. I want millions. I want millions. Whereas most of these mums that sell on Etsy, they're just aiming for a few $1,000s profit a month. They're not aiming for big numbers at all. Even a few $100s profit a month, they'll be happy with it. So if you come onto the platform, you push harder than they push, you will succeed. Simple rule of business, right? Be first or be best. So the aim here is to be best, and also we're pretty first as well, because Etsy dropshipping is literally not a thing. Like, I didn't watch any YouTube videos, I didn't watch anything out there. I discovered all the methods by myself. So it tells you about how the industry is. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.